See that? He's dead. Dead. Another dead one. Deady. Deadified.
Why are people just wiring you their entire life savings? Must be your winning personality.
For someone who is elevated up into an art form, this might well be your Mona Lisa.
Excuse me.
You are a problem.
Damn right I'm a problem.
The current active beekeeper is aware of the issue and is going to be taking things from here. You can rest easy, old friend.